What types of reading strategies are available, and how do you choose the right one for your child? This is a fundamental question in early literacy instruction. When teaching young children to read, there is no one size fits all approach. Educators and caregivers are often faced with different philosophies and instructional methods, and understanding these strategies, that is, knowing when and for whom to use them, can make a huge difference in child's reading journey. Now, let's begin with the phonics-based approach. This strategy focuses on teaching children how to decode words by blending individual sounds called phonemes. It's structured, explicit, and systematic. For many children, especially those just starting out and those struggling with reading, phonics gives them the tool to crack the reading code. In contrast, the whole language approach emphasizes reading for meaning. Instead of sounding out words, children rely on context, pictures, and sentence structure to figure out unfamiliar words. This method supports comprehension and encourages children to see reading as a joyful, meaningful experience, but it may not provide enough support for children who haven't yet mastered decoding. A third approach, balanced literacy, attempts to bring the best of both worlds together. It combines phonics instruction with opportunities to read real text for meaning and enjoyment. Many educators prefer this method because it addresses the full range of reading skills, from decoding to comprehension. We also have guided reading, a teacher led approach where children read text at their instructional level in small groups. This method allows teachers to give targeted support, prompt comprehension, and provide feedback in real time. Then there is shared reading, where a teacher and students read a book together. It's interactive, engaging, and often includes rich discussion, vocabulary development, and modeling of fluent reading. So, how do we choose the right approach? It really comes down to individual child. Some children are analytical and sound oriented. The benefits from explicit phonics instruction. Others are meaning driven and might respond more naturally to whole language or shared reading approaches. Children who are just beginning to read or who are struggling to decode often need the structure of a phonics based method. Meanwhile, children who are more advanced might flourish with guided reading, where they can practice strategies and deepen comprehension. And of course, age and developmental stage play a big role. Younger children tend to engage more with shared reading and stories that come alive with interaction. As they grow and gain more control over print, guided reading and structured phonics become more useful tools for advancing their skills. In the end, the best reading instruction is not limited to one method. A balanced, responsive approach, one that considers the child's needs, interests, and developmental readiness, is often the most effective. By weaving together multiple strategies, we can support all children in becoming confident, joyful readers.